Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Figma files locally with version history and downloads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Figma application or website on your device. Log into your Figma account if prompted. Locate the file you want to backup in your Figma dashboard. Open the file by clicking on it. Navigate to the menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Save Local Copy. A notification will appear indicating that your file is being saved. Choose the destination folder on your computer where you want to save the file. Click Save to complete the process. To backup version history, go back to your Figma file. Click on the Share button located at the top right of the screen. In the sharing options, select Show Version History. A panel will open on the side displaying all the version history. Review the versions to find the one you wish to export. Click on the three-dot menu next to the version you want to save. Select Duplicate to create a copy of that version. Go back to the duplicated file by clicking on it. Now, repeat the previous steps to save the duplicated file locally. You have successfully backed up your Figma file along with its version history. Make sure to verify the files in the chosen folder on your computer. This concludes your guide on backing up Figma files locally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.